a video making spree. As you know, last video I was counting these cards, and the video before that I was showing you these cards. So this video I will be showing you this Pokemon toy. I got this in New Jersey at a prize. It was 1 out of 8, I think. It was a 1 out of 8 chance. Has like static cheeks, as you saw in the trailer of, you know. Okay, so it has staticky cheeks. It's a harder felt than like some other stuffed animals, aka Beanie Boos. So it looks exactly like a Pikachu. My only complaint is, as you can see, you can't pull this tail off. See, it's stuck on. Putting as hard as I can. See, it's stuck on. You need some scissors to get it off. That's my only complaint. You can move his little hands like this. I'm trying to clap. So, that's it for this little Pikachu toy. Stuffed animal. You can play with him. It's pretty fun. It's pretty amusing. It's fun to do this with his ears. He loves that. Pikachu! Da 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 da. He's in the circus now. Pikachu's in the circus.